Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Ashleigh for those of you who are new here. For those of you who aren't, hi, welcome back. Thanks for joining me once again. If you are a returning subscriber or returning viewer, if you're a returning viewer but you're not subscribed, why? Just hit the subscribe button down below, put on the bell notification, etc, etc, you all know the drill. But please subscribe if you do like my content. Today's video is something a little bit different. I do talk about skincare quite a lot on my channel nowadays. I did a face theory haul a few months ago. I've done a skincare routine, I've done a beauty and skincare video that should be up by now, if not becoming soon, which is my favourite products and things like that, and answering your kind of questions. But I was very kindly contacted by a brand. I'm going to try and cover my address, but the brand name is Stylevana. Stylevana? I don't know how I'm going to say that, but I'll leave all the details in the description box as well. They reached out to me and asked if I'd be interested in trying some Korean skincare. Now, I've never tried any Korean beauty, which is really funny because I got this delivery and also some makeup from Paul & Joe, which is really random because I'm not sure Paul & Joe is Korean, but it's definitely an Asian beauty brand. I think it may be Japanese, I'm not sure, but I've never tried any Korean skincare or any Korean makeup or anything like that, and I've heard really great things. I know there was a little bit of a time on YouTube where there was a trend of trying Korean makeup and things like that, so I thought, yeah, do you know what, I'd love to give it a try. So I tried out these products over the last week and I thought I'd just talk you through them and then give you a little review on them as well. I did film clips of me trying the products, so I'll put them in here as well for you so you can kind of see how that went. But I'm just going to dive in. There's going to be quite a few things, and I was pleasantly surprised. I wouldn't say surprised, but I quite liked a lot of them, so I thought I'd talk you through them. Now, one thing, they sent me a mask that I've not actually tried yet. I wanted to save it for closer to post lockdown. It's a blueberry honey overnight mask by a brand called Frugia. I don't know if you can see that. And it's a blueberry honey overnight mask, and actually their products are really good because it's obviously all in Korean on the back, but they do have English, so it tells you what to do, which is good because I need to know how best to use a product. So I'm excited to try that. I love a face mask, but I really want to try that closer to coming out of lockdown so I can be looking great for after then. But I'm really excited to try that after trying all of these things. So I'll do an order of things that I tried. So the first thing I tried, I was really excited about this. If you know me, if you've watched my skincare videos and just videos in the past talking about my favourite things, I absolutely love the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. It's my favourite cleanser. And they sent me this, which is the Hamish, I believe is how I pronounce it, All Clean Balm. Clean and Comfortable Beauty Intensive Cleansing Balm. So it looks like this in the box. And I thought, wow, that'd be really interesting to try because I've only ever tried the Clinique Cleansing Balm. So it says you can use this as a lip and eye makeup remover or face makeup remover, and it eliminates all kind of residue when you're not wearing makeup as well. Okay, it's just a little note I was reading. So it looks like this. It comes in a tub. This is 120 ml, so just a little bit less than the Clinique one, which is 125 ml. I'm not sure on the prices of all these items because these were kindly gifted to me, but I will obviously leave details of where you can buy all of these things down below for you. So it comes in this little pot, and lift up lid, and then you just take that off. It also comes with a spatula, which is really helpful, so you don't have to get dirty hands, and then it just looks like a normal cleansing balm. And that is the lid. So it's the All Clean Balm by Hamish. Now this smells like my chiropractor, which is really random. Not herself, but the office. It's just a really nice, clean, fresh scent. And it worked really nicely. I haven't tried it to take makeup off because it's the first day of this week that I've worn makeup since these products have come. So I'll probably try this later today actually because I just put these all away in my bedroom to talk about, so they can now go in my skincare cupboard in the bathroom. So I actually really like that, and I'm really excited to use it some more. And if you're looking, I'm assuming this will be cheaper than the Clinique one, but I'm not too sure. I'd like to find out how much this is because that would be a nice cheap alternative to the Clinique one if it's easily accessible for us. But yeah, I absolutely loved that. The next thing I tried was I believe this is called Some by Me Philosophy 30-day miracle starter kit, AHA, BHA and PHA miracle routine that will put your skin worries to sleep. So it comes in this box and you get a cleansing bar, toner, serum and a cream. So it looks like this. And again, you'll see the video of me trying them all. So the cleansing bar is like a cleansing soap. It's like a bar of soap basically for cleansing your skin. It was quite good, but I don't really think I like the formula. Like I think I'd rather have like a cleansing balm because like rubbing the soap in my hands, I don't know, I just don't really love that. It works really well and they all taste like they all smell like tea tree, which is a really nice scent, but yeah, it just wasn't my favourite formula. Like, not formula because it worked really well as a cleanser, but like, do you know what I mean, how it's put together. And then you have the toner, which was lovely. It says pore care, brightening and moisturising. The toner was really, really nice. A serum, which again, I absolutely love using a serum, so that was really nice. And then also the Miracle Cream, which was really nice and moisturising as well. So it's a 30-day thing. I'm still up for 30 days, so I'll continue using these products and see how my skin goes. But I'm really excited. I love trying new skincare. I absolutely love it. It's sometimes more fun than trying makeup because having a good base makes your makeup even better. And I have over time found skincare I absolutely love. But it's always good trying new products and seeing what is out there. Okay, and the last 3 products I tried all on the same day. So I personally love putting on a serum and then putting on my moisturiser. So they sent me this, which is the Sun by Me. Again, it's the same brand as that set. It looks like this. Gorgeous packaging. And it's the Uja Niacin Blemish Care Serum. It's got Uja and niacinamide, I don't know how to say all these words. Skin brightening care and blemish care. So this was beautiful. First of all, love the bottle. So it's a plastic bottle. I just have to check that. And it smells like lemon, but obviously the bottle is yellow. And it smells of lemons, which is really nice because it's obviously brightening. Let me... You can kind of see that there. You can see how liquidy it is. It's trying to focus on me, so don't mind. Obviously you'll see me using this on my skin as well. It's just so smooth and soft, and I absolutely love having a serum and then, like I said, putting moisturiser on top. It smells so lemony and fresh. And like I like serums to put under my Weleda skin food. It makes it a little bit easier to blend. So that is amazing, and it smells lovely. I feel like serums just help to lock in the moisturiser. It's a little bit tacky, but again I think that helps with locking in the moisturiser, so I don't really mind that. And I don't really put serums on before I do my makeup. It's usually like when I'm going to bed, so I really liked that. And then there was this, which is called the Unique. Is it Unique? I'm not sure how to pronounce these brands, so I do apologise. Black Snail Restore Cream. So it's formulated with snail secretion and leaf water. Skin recovery and wrinkle care. I don't think I've got wrinkles, but it's always a good time to start anti-aging. It's better to prevent than it is to try and reverse, FYI. So it looks like this in the box. Now this, I was a little bit apprehensive, obviously if something said black snail cream, I'm thinking, but this was beautiful on my skin. A little bit goes a long way. I put far too much on, which you may be able to see in the clip. But it's actually just like a white cream. I'm more like a gel moisturiser kind of girl, but this goes, like it's not a thick cream. You know, the creams are really thick and they kind of like bunch up on your skin. This is really, really thin. I'm not sure if the serum helps it, but it's really, really thin and it just a little bit goes a long way and it feels amazing. So I absolutely love this. It doesn't smell either, which is really good, and I really like that, so I'm looking forward to trying that a bit more too. This is going to really up my skincare game, you know. And then finally I got this from Laneige, which is actually a brand I had heard of before, and this is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask in Berry. Now I will say, when I go for lip sleeping masks, I do have a vanilla one from Revolution at the moment. I like them. I would say berry scent is not my favourite, like I find it a little bit sickly, but I gave it a go anyway. This wasn't too bad, to be fair, and I think like once you've got rid of the first, then it's kind of gone. This again comes with a spatula, and it looks like this in the pot, so super cute for your nightstand. And it's just a little Balm. So yeah, I absolutely like that as well. It's really, really nice. I think lip sleeping masks are really, really nice. If you kind of slather them on before you go to sleep, then you wake up with kind of fresher lips in the morning. So I absolutely swear by sleeping masks and sleeping balms, all that kind of stuff for your lips. Hydrated lips are really important. I drink a lot of water, but even so, I don't find that it really helps my lips. But yeah, definitely absolutely loved that as well. So that is actually everything that I got from them. I absolutely loved, honestly, like I liked everything that I tried. There were some things that I'd probably pick over others. If I had to choose like one thing out of here, I would probably choose the Clean Balm. That's like one of my favourites, and also the Snail Cream, randomly. But they were both incredible products. They were all really nice. I'm excited to try the Overnight Honey Mask, knowing how good the other products are. But I just want to say a really big thank you to Stylevana or Stylevana, I'm not sure how to say that, so I'm really sorry for butchering it, and all the brand names in this video. But thank you so much for working with me and gifting me the products for this video. I'm really glad that this was the first time I tried Korean skincare, because it was a really positive go. So if there's any, I can't say those words, if there's any specific Korean beauty products you'd like to see me try, let me know below, and let me know if you tried any Korean beauty products yourself, so we can kind of chat about it. But yeah, I'd be really intrigued to try any other Korean skincare or Korean makeup that you guys are interested in or that you've heard about, because that was a success, I'd say. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up before you leave. Don't forget to subscribe down below. I'll also link all my other beauty videos if you're interested in watching any of them. And I will see you all in my next video.